So just like this. Now this is a big deal, right? So right here was your scalp, ran up, came back. Right here is your scalp. Pop, pop, pop. This one continued to run, and we know this is a collection area, yes? Now you don't have to take all off the table, especially if you bought down here, but I still, again, I would love to have 50, 20, 20, 10, right? I don't have to take it all off the table ever, right? Everybody, isn't that what we do in here? Shed it?
Yes.
Yep. Because this is
Shed
why.
it. I got it.
Right here is why. This is exactly why, right here. Now we take more. There's your 20 I just talked about, right? Take it. There's your 50. Here's your 20. Coming back, watch for a retest right here. If it stays above this 819, 820 area, you're good to go. This pops back up here and continues to climb. Take another 20. You're still in the trade. Is this making sense? Right here. You see this? This is why I said watch this area. So if you took 20 here, so we did 50, 20, let it run up some more. Now we're 70% to the good. If you are 70% to the good from here, which is your VWAP bounce, you are up so much money right now, right? 50, 20, watching for the retest. You are, it would have to go down here for you now to lose money if you held the whole time. Does that make sense? Because you've already collected 70, so your 30% would have to be way below what you paid for it before you would lose money on this trade. This is why we do this. Now we're golden. You've taken a lot off the table. We still got tons of room to go. And you are sitting easy as hell right here. There goes another run. Look at this, getting more highs. Now we want to, right here, if you are feeling inclined, you can take 20 more. Otherwise, because you got 30% and you're still looking so good, you can hold on longer. Up to you how you want to make the trade. Let's look out here and see what we're looking at. Yeah, 10 is going to be a major level, obviously, because it's a whole number. There's all your major levels. There they are. See them? 950, every half number. Ding. Look at that, right to the penny at 950. There you go. Make that money.